Hi everyone, I'm Advocate Sanjay Arya from the LEXIS company. Today I am discuss about the maintenance 125. First of all, who come this maintenance? How they file the maintenance petition in the court? First, it's a very important point to know about you who can file the maintenance in the court. Wife who unable to earn herself, he also filed the petition in the court. And the second, parents who not unable to earn himself herself, he also filed the petition in the court for all the monthly allowance. And third, minor child also we filed the petition in the court. And who has the power to attend this matter? First, magistrate classes has a power to give an order for the monthly allowance if he are satisfied with your terms and a condition. If your point is not relevant, he not acceptable in his knowledge and her knowledge, he not binded to your maintenance or monthly allowance. So please guys, consult your seniors, your advocates, who you are the senior counsel and a counsel. He tell you everything about that, how can you maintain binding in your favor monthly allowance. So guys, I hope you liked this video and share. I come with a new points and new videos, so I need your supports. Thank you.